In this video, I'd like to show you how to turn in your completed edit. So when I am done with my file and I have saved it as an MP3, so that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to export my audio, make sure that I'm in my responsibility folder. I'm going to name this edit. I happen to have two of them, so I'm going to name this one my second one. Make sure that it's an MP3 file, and then I'm going to go ahead and click save. I want my tracks to be mixed down. I've already filled out my information. I need to add the year. And then if I have my music from any other place, I need to make sure that my music, I type music by, and I know what website I got my music. And so now it's going to create an MP3 file, and now I'm going to turn in that MP3 file. And in order to turn in the MP3 file, you must put it in your Google Drive, because you're going to be sending us a link to your Google Doc, which happens to be your MP3. So I want to make sure that I go to my correct folder, so I'm going to go to my multimedia tech folder. So I'm going to go down, I clicked on my yellow folder, I'm going to go to my drive, I'm going to find my multimedia tech folder, go into my podcasting folder, and then find my responsibility folder. There is my MP3 file. I do not want this file because this is an Audacity file, because I can see the little Audacity symbol. I can also see over here that this is called an Audacity file. I want the MP3. So I need this MP3. So I'm going to open my Google Drive, okay, which I happen to already have open. I went to my Google Drive and I want to make sure that I'm in my multimedia tech folder. And so I'm going to take my yellow folder, move it over to the side so I can actually see what I'm doing, pick up my MP3 file and add it to my Google Drive. So it's uploading right now to my Google Drive. Once it's uploaded to my Google Drive, it tells me that it's an MP3. And I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to get the shareable link, or you can click share ... If you click share ... you'll do the same thing. You'll get the shareable link, you'll click copy. You want to make sure that it says anyone with the link can view. So you want to copy this link and click done. If you want to right click and get the shareable link, then it'll do the same thing. It's going to copy the link for you. It tells you down here at the bottom that the link is copied. And then I want to go to Canvas and I want to go to my assignment. So I'm turning in my podcast on perseverance or self-control, whichever one it is. You can see here that you're going to be submitting a website URL. So when I submit the assignment, right here is where I'm going to right click and paste, and there's my link. And so now I have submitted my assignment as a link to my web page that basically has my MP3 on it. So that's how you turn in your assignment.